Here's a close-up of what the laundry turtle looks like. This is the spandex pouch, and you just open it up like this, and it pops up. And this is what the material looks like. Very nice. Now, to use the laundry turtle, you open up your dryer, and then you place this on top of your clothes or towels. Then you're going to rotate it. Just like that. And then everything goes inside automatically. And there you go. You have a carrying handle and everything's in there. Perfect. Now let me show you how easy it is to fold up. I'm going to hold it by where the bag is, and then I'm just going to twist it, and then it just twists into itself so easily. And then you just put it in just like this, and there you go. Simple as that. Definitely recommend it. So compact, and there's even a little hook right here so you can hang it up next to your laundry. Super simple. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.